Okay, family, friends, yeah, there is no Jesus and we are brainwashed. Jesus is just an idea, white people to come and steal and oppress us. I understand what you are saying. But I just want to know, because some of us, ever since we were very young, age of 5, 4, or 7, when we were dreaming, or the attack, we will always call family members, like try to call your parents and say, help me, but they wouldn't help you. But when we call the name Jesus, the dark power, the dark spirit, they will just leave you. So I just want to know, lona lelwana ka hangante le tlhola ka in the spirit, halelo maybe, or in the spirit le attack you, lelwana ka hang le tlhola ka.